Hello and welcome to this video. I am Unice Gaur and today I am gonna tell you some amazing facts. So let's begin. Fact number 1. You must have seen Rubik's Cube, but do you know that the world's largest Rubik's Cube is present in Nina Mall in China? And it also has a page in the Guinness Book of World Records, and it is the largest real Rubik's Cube in the world that spins also. Three persons can solve that Rubik's Cube by spinning. Literally. Fact number 2. There is a technology by which we can show advertisement in the sky. This is the peak of Sunrise City of China. Here 15,000 drones together have projected a QR code in the sky, as you can see here, and this is scannable as well. Means if we scan it, then we will go to the website of that company. It was one of the most amazing events of the world. Fact number 3. There were a lot of road accidents happening in Argentina. It had 70% reason phone. Do not use phone while driving. To bring this awareness, such signs have been made on roads that the car is colliding with social media. And it made a big difference. What a creative idea of Argentina government. Fact number 4. Can you spot the small box in this man's hand? If you can see it, then what do you think? Will it be able to kill a person? If you are thinking that how can this box be able to kill a person? So let me tell you that this box belongs to Fat Man core, means core of a nuclear missile that fell on Nagasaki. This small box had not killed one, but 1 lakh people. That too with many years of impact. This man had the power to destroy an entire state. Fact number 5. In the world of spellings, you must have noticed that the spelling of some words are different. Like we take a basic word, color. So sometimes we see COLOR and sometimes we see COLOUR. And here you can see these types of words, their examples. So why is it like this? So the thing is that the English of only 2 countries is considered all over the world, USA and Britain. American English of USA and British English of Britain. So this COLOUR is British English and this COLOR is American English. Another example is flavor. FLAVOUR is British English and FLAVOR is American English. The basic grammar rules of both the words are also very different. So the main thing is that in our India, British English is followed from school. So we mostly write color, not COLOR. You can see this list which country use which word in both of them.